Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up the Apple Vision Pro. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So this is an Apple official article, and this is how you can start turn on and set up your Apple Vision Pro. So when you turn on your Apple Vision Pro for the first time, you are guided through the simple setup process. All you need is to have a Wi-Fi connection, and if you have an iPhone with the iOS 17 or iPad with the iPad OS 17 or later, you can also transfer your data to your new Apple Vision Pro using the quick start. So basically, before you begin, just adjust the fit of your Apple Vision Pro before turning it in. And of course, you need to charge the battery. So to complete the setup, you will need just to connect the or the full setup is to connect first the battery to Apple Vision Pro. When you hear a tone, it's ready to wear. So then see the connect Apple battery to Apple Vision Pro, and then if you connect the battery and you don't hear a tone, just wait and press and hold the top button of the Apple Vision Pro. So basically, you will need just to follow the instruction to set up the Apple Vision Pro. You will complete steps such as following. You will need just to complete the eye and hand setup. So we need just to move your eye so you can have some eye coordination and movement coordination settings or coordination of your Apple Vision Pro. And then you will need just to sign in with your Apple ID that you are using usually with your Mac devices or Apple devices, either iPhone, iPad, or Mac. And of course, you will need just to capture your persona and learn basic gestures like having a circle with your fingers so you can click on things, etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.